Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Snapchat media upload not working. So there's a couple of factors that could cause this. So there's five main ones. So there's either poor internet connection, Snapchat app glitches, device storage issues, large file size, or Snapchat server issues. So basically, if you have a poor internet connection, like it's really slow, it could cause problems. App glitches is very common, and device storage issues. It's in the name. Large file size. So if you're sending something that's really big, a high-res pic or a long video, for example, and the Snapchat server issues. So something on their end. If you have a poor internet connection, you'll need to check it, right? So ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, and try searching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if it helps. So if it's app glitches, it might be something that's from their end. So try to see if you have an update available. If you have an update available, the glitch may be fixed once you update the app. You can also try to clear the Snapchat cache if you do have that. So go to your device's setting, find the Snapchat app and select it, and then you'll need to click clear cache and data. You can also try restarting your device. You can also try to reduce your media file size. So you can compress it. You can run it through a compression app, like a website. And you can also check your device storage. If your device storage is almost full, you can try clearing it up. And then if none other works, you can report the issue to Snapchat.